Welcome to our discussion on CMC versus GMP Key Differences. We'll explore how chemistry, manufacturing and controls, and good manufacturing practice collaborate to ensure consistent, controlled pharmaceutical manufacturing, safeguarding patient health. CMC and GMP are complementary systems in drug quality assurance. CMC defines the product's blueprint, while GMP ensures its consistent execution. Together, they form the foundation of safe medicines, with each playing a distinct role in maintaining pharmaceutical quality. Chemistry, manufacturing and controls, CMC, defines a drug's identity, composition, and quality standards. It ensures the product remains stable over time. CMC is a technical dossier submitted to regulators to support drug approval filings. CMC outlines the product blueprint, detailing the formula with precise active ingredients and excipients. Specifications define quality attributes and acceptance criteria for each batch. Validated methods measure these attributes, while stability data ensures the product meets specifications throughout its shelf life. Good manufacturing practice, GMP, ensures consistent and safe production by controlling people, processes, equipment, environments, and documentation. It governs daily manufacturing operations to maintain product quality and safety. GMP's factory system ensures manufacturing controls through standardized procedures, eliminating variability. Batch documentation provides complete records, proving each batch is made as intended. Inspection readiness involves systems and evidence to satisfy regulatory inspectors anytime. CMC defines the drug's attributes and goals, focusing on the product level. GMP ensures organizational control over facilities, people, and systems to deliver the product reliably. Both are essential for safely bringing medicine to patients. CMC defines the quality of a product by setting scientific standards, determining acceptable limits, and measuring quality. It answers, what does good look like? Good manufacturing practice, on the other hand, proves consistency by providing operational evidence through records and controls, ensuring standards are met consistently. It answers, did we do it right every time? CMC compiles data into dossiers like investigational new drug application, biologics license application, and marketing authorization application for regulatory approval, ensuring drug quality. Good manufacturing practice, on the other hand, is assessed during facility inspections by agencies like the Food and Drug Administration and European Medicines Agency to verify compliance with the commitments made in these filings. CMC establishes the product standard, which GMP systems aim to achieve consistently. This interdependence ensures that each batch of medicine is manufactured safely and effectively, maintaining the quality and safety standards set by CMC. Technical controls in chemistry, manufacturing, and controls focus on product science, including raw material specifications and stability profiles. Good manufacturing practice, operational controls emphasize manufacturing execution, such as standard operating procedures and equipment calibration. Both ensure product quality and compliance through distinct yet complementary approaches. Good manufacturing practice ensures that chemistry, manufacturing, and control specifications are effectively implemented. It transforms the product blueprint into a consistent, inspectable, and releasable product on the manufacturing floor. This synergy between good manufacturing practice and chemistry, manufacturing, and controls is crucial for reliable product delivery. Let's compare CMC and GMP. CMC focuses on the product blueprint, defining quality and supporting filings. GMP, on the other hand, emphasizes the factory system, proving consistency and supporting inspections. CMC sets the standard with technical controls, while GMP delivers it through operational controls. CMC and GMP both aim to protect patient safety. CMC ensures the drug is correct and of high quality, while GMP maintains this quality consistently over time. This consistent, controlled manufacturing is not just regulatory, but a crucial obligation for patient protection. Avoid using GMP records to justify CMC commitments. They prove execution, not replace validated methods. Ensure CMC spec updates align with GMP systems, including SOPs and training. Remember, inspections focus on operational compliance, not technical design, requiring distinct preparation. CMC is managed by research and development and regulatory affairs, while good manufacturing practice is overseen by operations and quality assurance. Effective cross-functional collaboration, particularly during tech transfer, is crucial to ensure that CMC objectives are accurately executed within good manufacturing practice frameworks. CMC serves as the blueprint, defining product standards and science. Good manufacturing practice ensures execution, controlling manufacturing to meet these standards. Their interdependence is crucial for regulatory compliance and patient safety. Understanding both is vital in pharmaceutical development and manufacturing.